Chapter 4 Stoichiometry. Introduction to Stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the quantitative relationships of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. It uses balanced chemical equations to calculate the amounts of substances involved. Law of conservation of mass. Stoichiometry is based on the law of conservation of mass. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. This means total mass of reactants equals total mass of products. Role of stoichiometric coefficients. Stoichiometric coefficients in balanced chemical equations represent the mole ratio between reactants and products. Example, 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to form 2 moles of water. Applications of stoichiometry. Widely used in industrial processes, helps in calculating raw material requirements, determining product yield, reducing wastage and costs, enhancing production efficiency, chemical formula. Elements exist in different forms in nature: single atoms and molecules, aggregate of atoms. Some elements exist as individual atoms, also known as monatomic elements. These are represented by chemical symbols only. Sodium has symbol N. Calcium has symbol Ca. Carbon has symbol C. Iron has symbol Fe. Other elements exist as molecules, meaning 2 or more atoms are chemically bonded together. Examples, in ozone, 3 atoms bonded. Oxygen, 2 atoms bonded. In nitrogen, 2 atoms bonded. Helium exists as individual atoms but considered here due to stability. What is a chemical formula? A chemical formula represents the composition of a substance using symbols and numbers. Tells us the types of atoms and the number of atoms in a molecule or compound. These are chemical formulas of water, phosphoric acid, and sodium chloride. Formula of water tells that there are 3 atoms in water molecule. Chemical formulas of compounds. Just like elements, compounds also have specific forms. Chemical compounds are represented by chemical formulas. Ionic compounds formula is called formula units. Ionic compounds consist of positive and negative ions held together in the crystal lattice TEG. They are represented by formula units which show the simplest whole number ratio of ions. Example, sodium chloride.